Yes, brother, this is Shay. The video today is if you are asking the question, how do I stop avoiding? So if you notice that you're avoiding things like approaching somebody new or avoiding a moment of intimacy with your partner or avoiding making a move, then this specifically is for you right now. I'll be talking through why we avoid and how to move forward, how to stop this, because I believe if you're watching, there's a part of you that's feeling, I'm done with that avoidance. I want to feel confident to approach someone or to have a romantic moment with my partner. So I'll be sharing the next steps so that you can do that. Okay, so first up, why do we do this? Why do we avoid approaching somebody new or making a move or having intimacy with our partner? I want you to know that if you are experiencing sexual performance anxiety or erection problems, it is totally normal to be avoiding these types of moments. And why is that? Because sometimes it can feel like I'm not normal or what's wrong with me, but it's our body doing its normal job, our body and our mind, to avoid fear, to avoid pain. We're optimized to scan for whatever could go wrong, whatever could be bad, and it's our body doing its job. And I know that is helpful to understand, okay, my body's doing its job, but this isn't helping me to get this sorted. And I know there's this other part of you that is feeling, I'm just done with this. I want to be able to have sex confidently. I don't want to have to be thinking about Viagra or trying to find the Viagra when I first approach or get with somebody. So I understand that, which takes us to the next point, what to do about it. How to stop avoiding these moments. I have to be totally honest and say the way to stop avoiding this is to confront it. And what do I mean by that? Well, it's to ask ourselves the question, is what I'm trying giving me the results that I want? And if you're here right now, I believe perhaps you've seen some results, but not really the long-term results that you want. You're not feeling in this space yet of being totally confident with performance anxiety not even being in your mind anymore. So if we know that this is a normal reaction for our body to avoid fear or avoid pain, and that's why we're avoiding these moments of intimacy, because we're thinking, we've had a bad experience in the past or haven't been able to get hard or stay hard during sex, and now our body thinks, what if I go there and that happens again? What if I can't stay hard? And the fear of that, the embarrassment of it, or what if the other person judges me or shames me or thinks that I don't like them? There's so much fear that we've stacked in those moments that it's normal for us to avoid them, but we want to overcome that. So if you're still with me, here is the next step. To be able to confront this. Now, I've created something called the Performance Anxiety Assessment, the PA assessment. This is 10 very simple yes or no questions that you ask yourself. This will take you less than 2 minutes. And why is that important? Well, it will show you your score so you can see exactly where you're at today and how much this is impacting. And then I will also give you a tool that will show you what to do next so that you can start getting this sorted. Ultimately, if it's with me or with somebody else, I would like you to just ask yourself that question. Am I seeing the results that I want? And if I'm not, specifically around performance anxiety and erection problems, if I'm not seeing the results that I want, it's time for me to switch it up and try something new. I must confront this and keep going to be able to get it sorted, so that I don't avoid these moments of intimacy. Because what is the long-term impact of that, right? The long-term impact of avoiding the moments of intimacy is ultimately either A, not meeting the life partner that you deserve, or B, intimacy over time becoming more and more of a void with your current partner, and that doesn't take the relationship in a good direction. Ultimately, it can lead to divorce or separation. And that's not what we want, that's not good. So if you're ready to take the next step to start getting this sorted, then head to the comments below, click on the link for the performance anxiety assessment. It's a free quiz, will take you less than 2 minutes to answer these questions. I will then send you your score and I will show you a free tool so that you know what to do next. I'll see you there.